In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Wise bank account to eBay for a seamless payment experience. This process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step so you can have it set up in no time. First things first, we need to log into your Wise account to obtain your bank details or account number. If you're unfamiliar with Wise, it's a platform that allows you to hold money in multiple currencies and make international transactions with minimal fees, which makes it a great choice for online marketplace activities. Once you're logged in, navigate to the section where your bank details are displayed. This may be under Account or Bank Details, depending on your account settings. Here, you'll find all the information you need, such as your account number, bank code, and any other details you might require to proceed. Make sure to keep this information handy as we're going to use it soon. Now let's shift gears and log into your eBay account. Upon successful login, direct your attention to the upper corner of the home page where you'll find your name or profile icon. Clicking on it will provide a drop-down menu leading you to Account Settings. Once there, locate the Payments option. This is where we will be connecting your bank account to facilitate smooth transactions. After entering the Payments section, you will see an option to Add Bank Account. This is exactly where we need to be. Clicking on it will prompt you to provide the bank details we earlier retrieved from Wise. Carefully enter your Wise bank account information here. It's crucial to double-check each digit and letter. Even a small mistake can lead to a failed connection. So, accuracy is the key here. Once you have entered all the necessary bank details and are confident that everything is accurate, go ahead and submit the information. At this point, eBay might require you to complete some verification steps to ensure the security and authenticity of the account you are linking. This could involve entering a verification code sent to your Wise account or confirming some security questions. Follow the prompts on your screen carefully and provide the necessary confirmation. After successfully completing the verification process, you should receive a confirmation from eBay that your Wise bank account has been linked. This means you're now capable of receiving payments smoothly and efficiently into your Wise account whenever a transaction occurs on eBay. It's truly that simple. By following these steps, you've ensured that your transactions are streamlined and secure, leveraging the advantages of Wise's favorable exchange